Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable Terabox notifications on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do if you want to enable it for the notifications, just go ahead to this settings on your phone. And after in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down. At the bottom we'll find out the apps options. And now scroll it down again until we found out the Terabox applications. For example, here I'm gonna open it, and we'll find out the notifications options like this. Just tap on it, and after just tap on the toggle beside the allow notifications if you wanna enable it or if you wanna activate your notifications on Terabox here guys. I'm gonna tap on it like this until it's turned green. When it's turned green or activate, which is Terabox can send the notifications to your device or your phone. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.